You think success is about big moves, about one huge risk, one perfect opportunity. But it's not. Success is boring. It's slow. It's repetitive. It's consistent. Look at Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in history. You know what made him rich? Not luck, not hustle. Time and consistency. He started investing at 11. He bought his first stock with $38, not $38,000, just $38. And then he didn't stop. Not for a week, not for a year, for decades. No hype, no shortcuts, just consistent, smart actions over and over again. Buffett didn't look for get rich quick. He focused on get rich slow. While others chased fast money, he stayed patient. He stuck to his plan. He trusted the process. At 30, he wasn't a billionaire. At 40, still not. Even at 50, far from the top. But then, compound results kicked in. Because consistency compounds. At 60, he was rich. At 70, a legend. At 90, a billionaire many times over. You want results? Be like Buffett. Do the work day after day, even when it's boring, even when it feels slow, because slow is smooth, and smooth becomes unstoppable. One intense workout won't make you fit. One all-nighter won't make you smart. One viral video won't build your brand. But showing up every day, that's how you win. You don't need to go 100% every time. You just need to stay in the game. Success isn't about explosion. It's about evolution, step by step, brick by brick, habit by habit. You don't need to impress people. You need to outlast them. Anyone can be intense for a moment. Few can be consistent for years. Buffett once said, someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. So start planting, start showing up, start building. The world doesn't reward intensity, it rewards consistency. You want success? Stop chasing flashes of motivation. Start chasing discipline, daily actions, daily effort. Because consistency beats intensity every time.